EA Sports to the game.
Hello. 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 No, it's the key. It's the business. The my boss isn't here. Okay. There's these people. Hey, Slanton Gomez, man. Learn Spanish, vato. It was in Spanish. I know. I was hearing. Speak Spanish. I'm trying. Este es. What? What did you say? I don't remember. I just said something about my boss isn't here. Okay, whatever. Week 7 is the bye week, but it's raining. Man, it's raining. It's raining. We got a hurricane out there somewhere? I'm not sure. But whatever it is, it's raining. It's been raining these last couple of days. So we're in the bye week, so let's take a look at the NFC offense. Stafford of the LA Rams. Rams? Is that the Chargers? I don't know. I, you don't know, man. How long you been playing football? Yeah. Okay, Vanessa, the stealth, she has made the NFC defense 9 tackles, 4 sacks, 1 interception, 1 forced fumble, and 1 fumble recovery. Okay, at least you know that. Yes, sir. Patrick Mahomes, hey, my homeboy, quarterback, Chiefs. Look at that. 328 passing yards, 5 passing touchdowns, 2 sacks, 2 cars. 2 cars? Yeah, I think he's got a Cadillac and... No, I don't think he drives a Cadillac. How about a Buick? I'm not sure. 7 rushing yards. Just only 7? What more do you want? I thought he's a quarterback. He's got to protect, his inner him and outer him. What is that? Okay, well, he's not a cornerback, so the AFC defense for the Patriots, 5 tackles, 2 interceptions. Gilmore. Congratulations, people. Football at its finest. Okay, what's next? Because we're in the bye week right now. There's a message. In Spanish? Probably in Spanish. The right tackle. I didn't even know if this guy was the right tackle. Well, there he is. Hey, Coach, we got any plans for the bye week? Oh, I think a lot of the guys were hoping to get a little extra relaxation time, so, get you know. Just recharge your batteries with your friends and family. Yeah, man, I'm cool with that. Hey, did you want to use the off week to prepare for the next game? Oh, no, just rest and relaxation. Hey, we earned a little extra time off. Can we get some rest and heal up? Yeah, I think you earned it. Just after that last win last week. So thanks, Coach. What? Who's the coach? Well, that's just a little nickname the head coach, Armin, has for Ty. Oh, he's like the coach of the offensive line. Okay, if you say so. So just enjoy and avoid injury. Yeah, watch out for when you barbecue and go out to the 4th of July picnics. 4th of July? Whatever, man. Sometimes it's people who celebrate 4th of July when it's, September 13th. Just build up your morale and don't listen to this guy next to me. Yeah. What? You ain't careful, Bucko. Players ready to negotiate. Again? These guys are always negotiating. Always want more money. Only want the bonus. Let's give him a bonus, Bucko. Come on, man. 3.32. Oh, whoa. What? Are you kidding me? They would just give you a bonus and you want to go to free agencies. Unbelievable. I guess we have to find another stealth. Yeah, Samson, he's available. Yeah, we'll get Samson. That's terrible. We'll get another one we're going to lose. Shepard. Okay. Make him an offer. I'll take a better salary. Who wouldn't? Schultz. The contract length is good, but that's it. All right, man. Come on. We're an ATM. Yeah. Let's see what happens. He wants a better bonus. Hey, I'm coming up with my negotiations. Not going to give you 1 penny more than what you're getting. We believe you're being overpaid anyway. Oh, thanks a lot. Just letting you know beforehand. Talk to my agent. Not like anybody else wants you. How come we're not picking and choosing instead of just going down the line? It's because of you. You don't know how to scout. Nobody taught me. Anyway, doesn't mean we're going to be guaranteed any of these players. That's true. So we might as well get the top tier. So what's with the rain? It's just raining. How long you been around? You've always had rainstorms, right? Yeah. Okay, it's just like another day in your life. Don't complain. Just go out there and run through the rain. Right. He's always being upgraded, Zeke. I know. So what is this thing? What's what? The weekly strategy. I don't know. Just push buttons. Crazy what Biden is doing. Yeah, I know. Sheesh. First he says the non-vaccinated are killing people. Now he's, oh, he's just, the guy's gone crazy. He's wacko. It's just strange, man. He's just crazy, man. He's drunk with power, you know. Returning from an injury. DeMarcus Lawrence, all right. Derek, Stealth, and Megan, they're coming back. And don't forget we just lost a player because you wouldn't pay the man. I know. Randy Gregory, that's going to hurt. Yeah, I know. Week 8 is going to be a... Well, let's take a look at that. I mean, did we lose Randy Gregory? Is he gone? We'll find out. What position did he play? I don't know. There he is. Can we re-sign him? You have to negotiate. At the end of the season, I guess that's it. He's gone. That's terrible. That's your fault. You don't know how to negotiate. You don't show these players the respect that they've earned. I know him. My bad. Stupid. I don't know what's your problem. How am I going to explain this to the head coach? We just lost Randy Gregory. Stupid idiot. Have I called you a moron today? Not yet. You're a moron. You better learn how to play his position because he's probably going to switch you from quarterback to, defense. Just to teach you a lesson. That's what I would do. Or it's the bye week and it's raining outside right now, so it's a bye week. There's HD Bum and I'm Slam Gomez.